Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher spray arm. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open the package, you're going to get the new spray arm. The spray arm helps clean the dishes in the upper dish rack. The main reason you'll be changing it out if it's damaged and your dishes aren't getting clean. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the upper dish rack out. So you have access to the spray arm right there. You just have to reach underneath and grab the base and turn it clockwise as you're looking at it. Once you have it on snap, you can pull it off the dish rack. Here's the old spray arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new spray arm on, you just have to line it up with the base and turn the base counterclockwise until it clicks in. Once you have it installed, you can push the upper dish rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.